All right, check this out. I'm gonna make a ripper out of this old thumb. Thumb shot because bushings are all wallered out. It's not really worth fixing. Plus, it was free to me, so I'm gonna make use of the steel. Let's cut it up. All right, I don't know if you can tell, it's starting to turn cherry. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you this, but I'm gonna throw it on there and pull it out and start banging it around. Would you look at that? It actually worked. There's the gap on the before. And there's the gap after. It's fairly round. I think it could work. All right, this is what I came up with so far. The Magnatrac actually has two different sizes for the bushings. One's like 5 1/4, and then 4 1/2 in the rear. Anyway, I made some those bushings, but I went and found these stop collars over at Tractor Supply, and they're way cheaper. And there's like 1/1000th of an inch tolerance, so it's way tighter on these pins. So I'm gonna try to tack it up and do a little test fit.